I'm gonna share my hair care routine, so let's start.
For shampoo, I use Chi Keratin shampoo. And for conditioner, Pantene, coconut milk, and avocado.
It's better not to use a hair dryer for drying your hair, but if you want to use hair dryer, you need to use heat protection spray for your hair before using a hair dryer. First, let's comb our hair from bottom to top. Like that.
That's it guys for my hair care routine. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and hit that bell. Thank you for watching. See ya!